Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to send large files on WhatsApp. Let's go! You probably often have a situation where you want to send some file to another person in WhatsApp, but WhatsApp says it's too big. Today we'll solve this problem. The first thing you need to do is to open your file manager and find the file you want to send. Click on it and hold it down. Tap Share. Find Google Drive here. Save. Wait a minute. Our file has been uploaded. Go to Google Drive. Find your file. Manage access. Change. Anyone with the link. Copy the link. Now you can send this file, for example, to your friend and he will be able to download it. Let's do it. Go to WhatsApp. Send the link. Great! Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Your support is very important to us. Goodbye!